If you're an FP&A professional, you'll know that you're already spending too much time on redundant tasks. And when it comes to reporting, Vena's new Vena for Microsoft PowerPoint integration will help you save tons of time to focus on much more strategic tasks by making it really easy to use your already configured data within Vena. In this example, I have a very simple financial health dashboard here that I have configured multiple data points within, and I just want to be able to pull this data into my PowerPoint files and refresh that easily. So to do that, I just need to jump into Vena.io where I can find my existing Excel reports. And to enroll a file into PowerPoint to start pulling data, I just need to select it here from this menu. And then I search for the PowerPoint file that I'd like to enroll it to. And now that I've done that, I can enroll the file. So now that that file's enrolled, let's jump into PowerPoint and I'll show you how it's being pulled in. I can see here in PowerPoint that I have my executive dashboard report that I'm pulling in, and all I have to do is just open that report up, and within the report I will see a compilation of all of the charts and tables that I've pulled from my Excel report automatically. And from here, all I need to do is just insert any of these data points into my slides and save the presentation back to Vena.